Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDcat MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is which of the following disease is associated with the Epstein-Barr virus? A. Measles, B. Chickenpox, C. Mononucleosis, D. Mumps. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses cause viral hepatitis and is transmitted through blood and body fluid? A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, D. Hepatitis E. So the correct option is hepatitis B. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is known for causing cold sores and genital herpes? A. Herpes simplex virus type 1, B. Herpes simplex virus type 2, C. Epstein-Barr viruses, and D. Uh, cytomegalovirus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following method is commonly used for detecting viral nucleic acid in clinical samples? A. PCR, B. ELISA, C. Gram staining, and D. Microscopy. So the correct option is A. PCR. The next MCQ is which of the following is an example of a virus with a double-stranded DNA genome? A. Hepatitis B, C. B. Influenza virus, C. HIV, D. Hepatitis C virus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following best describe the structure of a pyron? A misfold protein that includes abnormal folding of other proteins. B. A virus with a lipid envelope. C. A small RNA virus. D. A virus with a protein coat. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following viral disease is characterized by a high mutation rate leading to frequent changes in the virus's surface antigens? A. HIV/AIDS, B. Hepatitis B, C. Influenza, D. Herpes simplex virus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following is a common treatment for viral infection? A. Antibiotics, B. Antiviral drugs, C. Vaccine, D. Antifungal drugs. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following types of viruses is known to have an envelope acquired from the host cell membrane? So the A. Rhinovirus, B. Hepatitis A virus, C. Human immunodeficiency virus, and D. Adenovirus. So the correct option is HIV. The next MCQ is which type of virus has an RNA genome that can directly act as mRNA in the host cell? A. Negative sense RNA virus, B. Double stranded RNA virus, C. Positive sense RNA virus, D. DNA virus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following diseases caused by a virus with a double-stranded RNA genome? A. Retrovirus infection, B. Chickenpox, C. Hepatitis B, and D. Herpes simplex. So the correct option is A. Which of the following viruses is known for causing severe gastroenteritis in infant? A. Rotavirus, B. Influenza virus, C. Herpes simplex virus, D. Hepatitis virus. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of the lactic cycle in bacteriophages? A. Integration of viral DNA into the host genome, B. Immediate destruction of the host cell, C. Latent infection of the host cells. D. Production of new viral particles without killing the host cell. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses can cause latent infection with periodic reactivation? A. Hepatitis C. B. Herpes simplex virus. C. Human papilloma virus. D. Hepatitis B. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of virus is associated with a high risk of causing cancer? A. Hepatitis B virus, C. Rhinovirus, D. Influenza virus, and D. Adenovirus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is true about the viral envelope? A. It is composed of nucleic acid. B. It is acquired from the host cell's nuclear membrane. D. It is derived from the host cell membrane and contain viral proteins. D. It is resistant to common disinfectant. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which viral enzyme is necessary for the synthesis of a DNA copy from an RNA template? A. Reverse transcriptase. B. RNA polymerase. C. DNA polymerase. D. Ligase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is known for causing conjunctivitis pink eye? A. Adenovirus. B. Herpes simplex virus. C. Influenza virus. D. Hepatitis A virus. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is an example of a virus that causes persistent infection in host cell? A. HIV. B. Hepatitis A. C. Rhinovirus, and D. Influenza virus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is a key characteristics of negative sense RNA viruses? A. Their RNA serves as a template for mRNA synthesis. B. Their RNA acts directly as mRNA. B. C. They replicate in the nucleus. D. They do not require reverse transcription. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which type of virus can cause chronic infection and persist for years? A. Influenza virus. B. Human papilloma virus. D. C. Herpes simplex virus. D. Hepatitis B virus. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is associated with causing cold sores and genital herpes? A. Cytomegalovirus. B. Herpes simplex virus type 2. C. Epstein-Barr virus. D. Human papilloma virus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following viral diseases characterized by periodic reactivation after the initial infection? A. Herpes simplex virus. B. Hepatitis A. C. Rotavirus infection. D. Influenza. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which viral structure is responsible for protecting the viral nucleic acid? A. Envelope. B. Capsid. C. Spike protein. D. Matrix. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following virus is known for having a segmented RNA genome? A. Human immunodeficiency virus. B. Hepatitis B virus. C. Influenza virus. D. Adenovirus. So the correct option is C. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.